Hi, welcome to your channel, The Ancients. I'm your host, Dr. Moore M. Ghosh, and I'm back today with another very informative video for you on your very own channel. The video about which I'm speaking to you today is about blessings of prosperity and good fortune which come your way, but a few of us unknowingly refuse these blessings, and due to this error, we do not partake the fruits of good fortune and prosperity which have come our way. Before I share with you more information, I'd like to give you a brief about the channel, The Ancients. I started this channel in February 2021. In a short span of 7 months, we have garnered over 310 subscribers and uploaded 101 videos. We have got over 5,000 views to date. My mission is to share with you the essence of astrology, numerology, and Vastu. These ancient sciences have in them the ability to change lives. Following the guidance of these ancient sciences, which I have researched for over 23 years now, can result in prosperity, good health, good fortune, peace of mind, and harmonious relationships with your friends and family. Therefore, I request all of you to kindly subscribe to the channel and share these videos with your friends and family. Encourage them also to subscribe so that they too can enjoy the benefits of the very essence of these ancient sciences which I bring for you. Coming back to our topic, what are those things which come our way, which are disguised, but if we use the opportunity well, we get blessings of good fortune and prosperity. I have seen quite a few people refuse these blessings, and they have not been able to partake the fruit of their hard work and good luck which has come their way. If you want good luck, good fortune, prosperity, never refuse these. These are disguised blessings of good fortune and prosperity. Let's start. The first one is the mother goddess cow, or Gau Mata as we call her. When she comes to you, whether you are on the road, whether you are traveling in your car or two-wheeler, or it comes to your home, which is considered the most prosperous and biggest blessing, and she passes urine and drops cow dung at your home, ensure that you never allow her to go away empty-handed. Give her something to eat, even little bit of roti if you have, bananas, gur, rice, whatever you have. Allow that she does not go away from your home without having something. The goddess mother cow coming to your home and passing urine and cow dung, dropping cow dung at your home is a blessing. Even if she does not pass urine or does not drop cow dung at your doorstep, but she only comes up to you, consider it's a blessing in disguise. Give it something to eat, whatever you have at home, and then send it away. See the beautiful blessings she gives you. You will notice enhanced prosperity, good fortune, and good luck in your life. Second, I know a lot of people are frauds today, and they play upon your heartstrings to make you part with your hard earned money. And a lot of people are disguised as sadhus, sannyasis, and a lot of rich people also do begging. But if a sadhu or a sannyasi comes across to you, or even a beggar comes across to you and asks you for alms, give whatever you have readily. Those who are defrauding you by being false sadhus, sannyasi, or beggars, they will pay the price for their karmas. You enhance your prosperity, your goodwill, your good fortune by giving them whatever you have. Don't refuse them. Give them whatever you have, take their blessings and send them on their way. You will be blessed. You will find enhanced prosperity, good luck, and fortune in your life. Third, I have seen a lot of people stay far away from their parents and elders nowadays. Friends, the blessing of parents, elders in your family is nectar of good fortune, nectar of prosperity. It is the sweetest thing you can have in life, the blessing of your parents, elders. Before you go out on any important work, touch their feet, take their blessings, spend important occasions with them. On these important occasions, such as festivals, take their blessings. And even if they give you a small amount of money, say even a 1 rupee coin or a 10 rupees coin, do not spend it away. Keep that with you in your treasure box or in your purse. It will give you the blessings of enhanced prosperity. The coins, the notes which come with the blessings of your parents, elders, well wishers. Always save some of these coins and notes with you in your purse or locker. Always. They are sure to enhance your prosperity. Next, you do not expect any money to come your way, but suddenly someone comes and gives you some money. Okay? Or your elders, out of love and affection, give you some money. You do not expect that money, but someone comes and pays you for some work which you had done much earlier. Or someone comes to you and returns some amount which you have given to them and forgotten about. These are the appearance of sudden money which you are not expected at all. And when it comes to you, it indicates that good time is coming. Your fortune, your prosperity will enhance. Positive energies are enhancing. When you get this, do not refuse that. It may be a very small sum for you. Your old uncle, retired uncle, your old parents give you even a 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees coin out of their love and affection suddenly. Don't refuse it. Just take it, put it in your locker, put it in your purse. Don't spend it. Believe me, my friends, it's going to enhance your prosperity. And last but not the least, you don't have a plan of going to any temple, but just by yourself, somehow you see a temple, you stop by there, you are attracted to the temple, you go inside, you do pujas and come out. Believe me, my friends, something beautiful is about to happen in your life. And adding to that, if you get prasad from somewhere, someone has gone to Tirupati and suddenly gives you prasad. Here, please have this prasad. Someone who has gone to Sabarimala gives you, Arey boss, I went to Sabarimala, here's some prasad for you, I thought of you when I was having this prasad. Someone has done prayers at home and suddenly comes and gives you, here bhaiya, here is some prasad, some sweet, some badam, whatever they offer you. This is prasad from my prayers. I thought of you, I am giving it to you. Take it immediately. Take even a small sweet if you don't want, even if you don't want to take it. Take at least a small piece, pray to the Almighty, say thank you for this and have it. Do not refuse this prasad which has come your way. Believe me, my friends, good fortune, prosperity is coming your way when you get this unexpected prasad or you visit a temple unexpectedly. They enhance your positivity. Friends, let me repeat the 5 things which come disguised, which bring good health, prosperity, good fortune into your life. Prasad, sudden money, blessings and ashirvad of elders, the cow, goddess, mother goddess, and sadhus and sannyasis. When they come upon you or they come to you, give them what you have to offer. Take their blessings and send them on their way. You will see substantial improvements in your health, in your prosperity, in your fortune. Friends, I am sure you enjoy these videos and also get major benefits from the knowledge which I'm sharing with you. I have spent over 23 years in research in astrology, numerology, and Vastu, and what I get for you on your videos, YouTube channel, The Ancients, is the very essence of astrology, numerology, and Vastu, so that you live a life filled with good health, good fortune, prosperity, peace of mind, and enjoy harmonious relationships. I request all those of you who have not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel. Also share these videos with your friends and family. Also encourage them to join our mission by subscribing to this channel. And trust me when I say these videos will change your life. Before I sign off, I'd like to say I will be back soon with another very informative video on your favorite channel, The Ancients. And I wanted to convey a heartfelt gratitude to all my subscribers, the 310 subscribers on the channel, The Ancients. Thank you, my friends. We'll meet again very soon with another very informative video. Till we meet again, good luck, all the best, stay safe.